So, you mean the people of this community, people of this village are talking about that? So this is what they are saying?
Yes, so my dear friend.
Hey.
You know I can't afford to hide anything from you. That is why I decided to come and let you know of it.
So the people of this community are still poking their nose into my affairs in this village.
It baffles me, oh my dear friend. It baffles me.
What has Uzako done to them? That they will not leave me alone to mind my business, everybody, Uzako. Am I the only one that has traveled abroad and came back? Eh? Why is my own problem their wahala? Hey. Anyway, when they said all those nasty things about me, what did you tell them?
Don't you trust me anymore? I told them plainly that you are a good woman.
Exactly.
Eh?
I'm a good woman.
Good woman that anyone can ever meet. Is it not because of that my daughter is now in the university?
Exactly! I thought you were forgotten about that.
I've not told.
Oh.
Huh? They cannot mind their business.
After all, it is only a good friend will see what is going fine for her and will introduce it to her friend. Like I introduced your daughter into going into university. Is it not true?
It's true.
Yes. So I want you to tell them the good part of me. Each time they are peddling bad rumors about me, counter their rumors with the good things you know I do.
Ojukwu nwanne m. You are here.
Amadi.
Huh? I came look for you at the front there. I didn't see you. I said, okay, let me check the back.
You are welcome.
Oh, no. How are you today?
I am here. I'm fine, Amadi. I'm fine.
You come here.
Get the chair.
Hey, my brother. Since Emenike is not around, and I'm sure that there's no one to take care of you here or run errands for you. I'm not decided to come down and see how you are faring. So tell me, how are you doing?
Amadi, you are a wonderful brother. That is so thoughtful of you. I am fine. I'm okay.
Ojukwu, have you eaten yet?
I have.
Tell me the truth, have you eaten yet?
My brother, I have. Emenike left some rice in the morning before leaving for the city. I ate it and I am okay with it.
Ojukwu,
My brother.
you cannot be okay. You okay with the rice you ate since morning? I disagree with you. You cannot be okay. Ojukwu, you need to eat very well so you can recover quickly. Yes. What am I even talking? I think I would better tell my wife to prepare a good food for you and bring it to you. So you eat and recover, please. You know, one name. Oh? Come to think of it.
Okay.
It's better I go right now and make sure she brings the food now. I need your recovery, quick recovery. Go. Hey! Okay, let me go. I'll come back now.
Wait, Amaka. You mean my father is sick?
You mean you don't know?
I don't. I mean, this is the first time I'm hearing this.
Ujunwa, how often do you speak to your father on phone?
I hardly do, but my mom tells me everything that happens in the house.
And she didn't call you to tell you?
No.
Because your father is very, very sick.
But why would my mother keep such information from me? Why?
I don't know.
Yes, I am saying you should not come back. Yes, this is what I said. Don't come back. Meanwhile, what are you coming back to do? Are you a doctor? Of course you are not a doctor yet, so you shouldn't waste that money coming back home. And besides, I don't even have any money to give to you for your upkeep. When you are back, I want to go back. Yes, stay back there. That's what I said. Let me just worry about your brother's expense when he will be returning back to the city. Thank you, my daughter. I know you are so understanding. So just stay, okay? Yeah, bye. Eminike, my son, when are you going back to the city? Because very soon I will be buying things for my shop, and I don't want to exhaust all the money in my hand and then you come running to me for cash when I don't have any.
Anytime that I'm done now, or are you chasing me out of my father's house now?
Like I said earlier, I know the reason I'm asking you. I don't want you to come begging me when you want to go back and there's no more cash in my hand. Because I will come and kill myself. I will listen to you.
You don't have to worry, yeah? I'm not going to ask you for any money. Eh? If I'm ready to go back to the city, I will definitely find my way back. You know, go.
It's good to see that my son has become a man. Don't forget, I know all the drama. I should have known that you and your father here have sold our remaining land. People have sold it and now enjoying the proceeds. But don't worry, I understand how you operate. Very soon the more money will finish. Both of you will come running after me. Give me like you always do. But I will disappoint you. Yes, I am very, very sure that I will disappoint you. I won't listen to any of you. Okay?
Okay. You don't have to worry, eh? I'm not going to ask you for anything.
Really?
Bye-bye.
Move bye-bye. When you are calling Abola.
Papa, take your drugs. Yeah? Take your drugs. You'll be fine.
I will take it.
Papa, take it now. Miko, I don't want anything to happen to you. Take your drugs. No.
Ojukwu has finally succeeded in making Emenike a useless son, just as he is. He has gradually turned that boy against me, even making him not to believe in himself again. Well, I will not allow him to do that with Ujunwa and Onyeka. Those are the ones I can call my own children. I will never allow them to be influenced by that useless father of theirs. Never.
Madam Fresh. Madam Fresh.
My customer. I just got lost momentarily. I didn't even know where you entered.
This one like this, I hope there's no problem.
No, everything is fine. Just small family problem.
Small family problem.
Yes, but trust me, I can take care of it.
Is it what I can handle?
No. You don't trust me again. I can take care of it.
No, but what I'm saying, because you trust me, know what I can do. Because I will not allow any man or anybody in this community to take care of or to discover the woman that take care of my stomach in this community.
My customer!
Madam Fresh!
I beg. Make I bring your usual.
No, my usual. Madam Fresh!
Now give me Madam Fresh.
Hey!
Make I tell you, they no go slay me down. Nobody go fit slay me down. Customer.
Madam Fresh.
I get your usual.
I believe in you. Come on! Oh my God, man.
Easy, Maya. Okay.
Dominic, have you spoken with your brother Onyeka lately?
Well, not really. I've not really spoken to him. The number I normally reach him with is no longer connecting. But you don't have to worry. I have spoken to Auntie Agnes and she told me that he is very, very okay. You don't have to worry. But I will continue to call him until I reach him so that I will talk to him personally.
Sir. Always keep in touch with your brother. It is very, very necessary.
Okay, Papa.
At least to know how it is faring.
Okay, Papa. I've heard you. Sorry. I've heard you.
You are back.
Yes. Where are you going to?
No, you're not particular place. I just want to take a stroll around. But I guess I might be stopping by at my friend's shop, Ozako, to check on
Ozako. Don't you know it is time for you to minimize your association with that woman? Or don't you know the rumor going around about her? That woman is not a good associate, if I am to ask.
No. How could you say a thing like this? Even if everybody in this village is talking evil against her, Nani, definitely, we shouldn't join them. Nani, have you forgotten that it is because of this Ozako that we can boast of our daughter in the university? Nani.
Any dear, it doesn't matter. After all, I pay for it, and I'm still paying for her daughter to be in the university. All I'm saying, I don't want people to start seeing you like her. Avoid going to her.
No. I have heard you. But you know me too well. I am not this type of woman that one can easily influence. Oh, Nani.
Please, for the interest and the goodness of our family, I have said mine. Come and give me food to eat.
way she's working as if she owns the world. Not minding her husband's health. So she still has money to show off. Hey, Wanyanka. See ya.
My dear, every woman in her shoe will do the same. I'm even having her.
Even you? A man? I just wish you will marry this kind of woman. Then you will understand what I'm saying. As for me, I will never desire to live this kind of callous life. I won't.
Because you have not gone far. Even the small Nigeria with 200 naira have not been. Talk less of beyond. I bet you. Your own, you'll be walking on people's head.
Stop. What's the meaning of this?
Didn't I know you? I know you very well. Let's go.
Hey, because go where?
Don't want to go. I'm going my own now. Let's go. Okay.
I'm not going anywhere again.
No, stay there.
Big brother with big head.
Right on. This one is chill beer. Chill beer. Very chill.
Madam Fresh. Very good. No. Always correct. Madam Fresh.
Madam Fresh. 188.
What is it? Why did you run into my shop like that? What was chasing you? What do you want?
You are here selling.
Yes, why would I sell? Am I not in my shop?
Why your house is in commotion?
My house is in commotion. Who sent you to my house? Who sent you to my house?
Your husband is there.
What nonsense are you talking about? Did you hear her? She said my husband is there. Is that true? Did you hear what she said?
He died a few minutes ago.
Are you serious? What she said, is she serious? Then my husband is dead. He can't die. Is my husband dead? Have you opened that bottle? No, you've not opened the bottle. Madam Fresh, are you collecting right now?
Madam Fresh, come and keep our drink for us. I will pay you.
3 bottles, and you too. I hope people have paid you.
Madam Fresh, we'll pay you this one.
I know your faces. When I come back tomorrow, I will check my book. I'm going.
It's just 3 bottles.
No peace for that person. Oh, Mam, we are getting S in the grave with you. Oh, Mam, we are getting. He will deal with the person. Let me kill one. Oh. Even now, I will know who are your uncles. We are around to support you in every way. Uzaku have just insulted us, and I demand you take it back in full. What has she not done? Look at her character, 0. Huh? She has done enough. She must leave this family. Okay, look at what happened yesterday. The way she insulted us. Eh? Who does she even think she is? Why must she be talking to us like her, like that? Is it because of the little money her sister sent to her? Could she help him burying her brother? Huh? Could that money be the reason why she's bragging and talking to everybody anyhow? Huh? Let me tell you. She must leave this family.
My brother, please. Let us not forget that she is still our brother Ojuku's wife. And she has children for him. 2 boys and a daughter. These children need their mother. Let us not deprive them of that. Please.
Job, I'm disappointed at you. Look at the way you reason. Huh? This woman that did everything she did, could you imagine that her brother went through her before she even died? In the hands of this woman. Could you even imagine all the bad names she's brought into her family? Could you imagine her wayward character in public places? You don't care about that. She has the 2 boys and therefore, let me tell you this. Yeah? She must leave our family and she will not continue to drag our name to the mud again. Are you hearing me?
Amadi, I'm not supporting her. Far from it. I'm only saying we should consider the aspect of the children. Ojuku's children. How will they feel when they realize that we send their mother away from this family? How? You see? That's what I'm saying. They are still part of this family. They are more than inclusive.
That woman, Ozako, her own has gotten too much. She has beaten more than she could chew.
We all know that, but I think we can warn her, but not to send her away from this family.
We must, in one way or the other, make her realize that Ojuku still has brothers.
That's what I'm saying.
And we cannot just sit down and watch her drag our family name to the mud.
That's why I say we should warn her, but not to send her out of this family.
Uzaku, come out of this place! Come out! Uzaku, what are you? Will you come out here?
What is going on here?
Murderer! Look at her!
Murderer.
So, after all you have done to our brother, you still had the mind to kill him. It won't work for you. I also have the effrontery to sit back and enjoy the goodies from his house.
Goodies from where?
You must leave this house today.
What nonsense are you talking about? What are you saying? Are you accusing me of killing my own husband?
Yes, you killed him through your callous and wayward life. And after which you now sit back to enjoy the goodies left behind by the man. This will not happen. You must leave this house today. You must leave this house today.
Hey!
It cannot happen, Uzako. Look at this. Leave here at this moment.
Look at this hungry-looking people.
Look at
what? So this is the nonsense that both of you have come up with. Eh?
Are you calling us hungry people?
Hungry-looking people.
What? Are you in any way trying to intimidate us?
Look at you.
Uzako, you must leave here today. You are leaving this house today. Go and pack your things.
Which things?
You cannot, after killing our brother, you continue living in his house. It won't work.
I have known it from beginning that you want to take over my husband's house, but it won't work.
Go and pack your things. Pack your things and get out of here.
How am I sure you're not the one that killed my husband? Just to inherit all that we came back from Ivory Coast.
After killing him, you are accusing us. How is that pack your things and get out of this house?
Back to where?
Is this
your house? Is this your house?
My son, you killed your father.
Today, this whole nonsense will stop. All these hungry-looking brothers of my husband. Enough is enough. Hello? Officer. Officer, please. Please come. They want to kill me. Yes. My husband's brothers. They came in groups. They have succeeded in killing my husband. Yes. Blaming his death on me. Saying I'm the one that killed my husband. No. Just to kill me. Into my compound. All of them rushed into my compound. They want to kill me. Please, officer. Come and save a poor widow. I need your help. Don't allow them to kill me. I still have children that I'm taking care of. Oh. Don't not allow them.
Mama.
Are you coming? Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Mama, I don't like this thing that you're doing. Eh? Don't tell me that you're involving the police in this.
Why will I not involve the police? Why will I not call the police? Since they have been accusing me of running around and sleeping with a man, is it not better that I involved one of the so-called men into this case? Eh?
Mama, can you be talking about boyfriend at this your age?
Eh? Were you not there? Were you not there when they were calling me all sorts of names? Did you not hear them? Eh? Isha? Nonsense.
Mama, I don't like this. Mama, I don't like. Oh yeah.
Say what you want to say.
Okay. I don't like this thing. I don't like this.
Mama, idiot.
Mama, what is this that I'm hearing? Eh?
What are you hearing? No, what are you hearing apart from what you are supposed to hear?
Mama, so you still went ahead to arrest Uncle Amadi and Uncle Job after everything I pleaded with you? Mama, why now?
Emenike, do you know that you are a very stupid son? You are very stupid to ask me that kind of question. No, were you not there? Were you not there when all of them came and was accusing me of killing my husband? Were you not there? Did you not hear them? What was I supposed to do?
Mama, anything.
Anything?
Mama, anything aside arresting them. Now the news is all over the village that you brought your so-called police boyfriend and you arrested them. Huh?
Is that all? Emenike, is that all? Do I even care? No! I don't care one bit. Let them remain there. I don't even care what anyone is saying. What they are saying in the village or wherever you came from. I don't care. The most important thing is I have kept those old foreclosing fools where they are supposed to be. Yes, they will remain there. That's phase one. I've not even started it.
I'm disappointed in you.
I'm disappointed in you. I don't know why you say about disappointment and worry. Idiot. It is me that is disappointed in you. Emenike, I am disappointed in you. What kind of a son are you? Do you call yourself a son? A son that will not stand with his mother? You will never stand with me to fight my enemies. Rather, you will connive with them to come and vomiting nonsense before me. And you call yourself my son. I will deal with you, Emenike. I have brought my eyes on you. Fool! You can't be a fuck. Isha? Nonsense. Every time this stupid boy will be disturbing my life. Since we have done justice with them. Yeah.
Oh, Emenike. Uncle, you are here.
Uncle, I came here to apologize on behalf of my mother. Please, I am really disappointed at what she did. Eh? I heard she involved the policemen to arrest you and Uncle Job. Eh? Uncle, please, I'm very sorry. Please try and forgive her, please. Eh? I know why sometimes I know a reason here before maybe.
It's all right, my son.
Because
I will forgive her not just because she's a woman, because that is not how all women behave. I forgive her because I have nothing against her in person.
Okay, Uncle.
So, just go. I have forgiven her.
Hey, Uncle, thank you. Thank you for your understanding. I'll just go to Uncle Job's house to also apologize to him. Please.
That's a good idea, my son.
Okay, sir.
Go well.
Okay, sir. Have a nice day.
One more thing, my son. Come back.
Okay, sir.
When you reach home, like I told you, I don't have anything against your mother. But when you get home, sit her down and talk to her. Advise her the much you can. Because from this day forward, neither myself nor any other member of this family will talk to her.
Cha.
Uncle, I will talk to her.
It's good.
Okay, have a nice day.
Good boy. Madam Fresh, Madam Fresh.
My own DPO, you are welcome to my
Thank you very much.
Please sit down, sit down.
Hey, this one you are drinking alone and counting Nigerian dollars.
It's not my fault though that everything is working fine for
my
me.
dear.
Good day. Welcome.
Thank you very much.
So how is your family?
Well, we bless God. It's just that Belly does not want us to stay one place.
It's okay, my DPO. I want to especially thank you. Your actions made my day. It saved me so much that day.
Don't mention. Look, I tell you the truth. If I don't do it for you, who will I do it for? After all, you are my little wife's mother.
No, but seriously, I am so proud of you.
It's okay. It's okay.
You are too much. What you did that day. So I am going to compensate you.
Really?
By taking care of you.
Really?
Yes. I will show you that now. Let me just bring your special.
What of my little wife?
She has gone back to school. But don't worry.
She has gone back to school?
Yes, don't worry. She'll be coming back tomorrow. You know they are usual coming back and all that.
Yes.
Don't worry. Let me get your special first.
It's alright.
Leave you! Let me get your special,
It's
I'm
alright.
going to join you now,
It's alright. Hey.
Wait now. This girl is too beautiful.
Who could not? After the way her mother taking care of her.
Hi. Jesus, I would like to marry this girl. She will produce beautiful children. Nah, you didn't want to.
Oyedika, I'm ashamed of you. So you sit here, admire that rubbish girl, wishing to make her your wife. So you don't know that girl in this village.
Look at you. Who don't know this girl in this village? Yeah?
We all know her. Is she not late Mazi Ojoku's daughter?
You know her, yet you want to make her your wife.
I don't what is wrong with her? Because her father is dead. And her mother is little bit stubborn. And lives all her life in Ivory Coast. That is happier. Obasawago. Then call it.
So let's leave this guy.
Yes.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon, ma. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, and how may I help you?
I'm Ichie Obiazu from Umwezi Kindred in this community. And this is my son. He asked me to accompany him to your compound. That he saw a very beautiful flower. So that is why we are here.
You asked your father to accompany you to my compound? Yes, ma'am. So what do you want? What could that be that you want in my compound?
Mama, I saw you. We can't discuss very important issue by standing. At least you receive us properly. Yes, by offering us a seat, at least.
Okay, I'm coming.
Okay, next. I told you. My son here asked me to accompany him to your compound. He said that he has found a very beautiful flower, your daughter, that he want to ask how for a hand in marriage.
Yes.
That is the main reason why we are here.
Please take this thing away and keep it there.
She said you should just put it there.
Do as you said first.
Take this thing and keep it there. Ikoga, you said that your son wants to marry my daughter.
Yes.
Which of your sons?
He's the one sitting with me here.
Yes,
Ebuka.
It's me.
Where is he?
He's the one here. Can't you see him?
It's me, Ebuka.
This thing. Okay. Hey. Now you said you want to marry my daughter.
Yes, ma. I love your daughter. So
I didn't ask you whether you do love my daughter or not. I asked simple question. You said you want to marry my daughter.
Yes,
ma. What do you do for a living?
Actually, ma'am.
What is it, Oga? You said your son wants to marry my daughter. And you will not allow your so-called son to answer for himself. Or are you the one that wants to marry my daughter?
No.
Or are you deaf and dumb?
No, it's not that deaf and dumb.
Papa, please, it's time I answer for myself.
Okay.
Answer.
I'm not chasing your cocalia, but no problem. What do you do for a living?
Mama, actually, I live in Owerri. I sell and buy used car tires, as an imported from abroad.
Mama? Mama?
You said you buy and sell used tires.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, Pakalatingom, you pick irons and you drop irons with big bag at your back at the streets of Owerri.
No, Mama, that is not, you're mistaking it. It's not the people that pick iron with barrow, as in carry iron.
Not even barrow, not say barrow. I say sack back at your back. Is that not what you do?
No, Mama, what I meant is that I import tires from abroad and repackage them and sell it out to people here in Nigeria, as in Belgian tires. Yes, ma'am.
Belgium.
Yes, ma'am.
So where is the car you came with? At least one of your cars, the one you came with. Why are you scratching your head or your head? Did you not own a car? You sell and buy Belgium tires. It's either you come with a car or you come with a big tire on your neck.
Hanging on your neck.
That can at least to identify. No,
Mama, you see, I am planning towards that. I will soon get a car very soon.
Event
planner. As in.
Say you will soon
event planner.
Would you please can you reply this guy? And you came to marry my daughter. Can you imagine this thing coming? Shut up and end to that nonsense. Shut up. What is he saying?
How can I go and sit? Yes, ma. Oh, look at this idiot. Oh, you went to train your bears. Osama bin Laden.
Oh, me what?
In a mefe beard gang.
On a chat black.
Ayana he me beard gang geba. Not at all.
Oh, you hear?
Man, see you. Look
at
the gold is wearing on his neck. Yeah, everybody get walk it up. Bam, or shock what? Iron to iron.
Bam.
When they keep that in more.
Can you imagine this thing?
Let me ask you. Did we discuss anything about marriage?
Right.
Please,
my daughter. Stop that nonsense. Who is your daughter? What are you calling your daughter? Have you gone nuts?
My daughter,
are you listening to me? I told you not to call me that stupid name again. I am not your daughter. Will never ever be your daughter. Just look at you. Can something like you give birth to a creature like me? An international woman. I just came back from Africa Coast with a plane. Have you ever entered a plane before in your life?
Papa, we need to go because...
Take this thing out! I can't go. Where are you? Look what you hungry man. He's running with now.
Mama, we need to put dog at that gate. He looks like a dog.
He has not even seen you before. In my honor,
bye, I am condemned. Condemned.
You said you want to marry my daughter.
Yes, ma'am.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a marketer in Onitsha.
As far as I'm concerned, I know of so many marketers in Onitsha who market different products. So which products do you market?
Nollywood films, ma'am.
Nollywood films?
Yes, ma'am.
I know of many good marketers that make money as Nollywood marketers. Yes. People like OG Best, Isolo Movie Production Limited, Osia Fashion Movie Production Limited, and so many. So which of them are you?
None of them, Mama. Mine is Divine Project Production, and OG Best is my next neighboring marketer.
And you said yours is Divine Production Project. Where is the limited? You don't have limited in it?
Mama, I am not limited yet, but I will soon be. I will soon be limited.
You will soon be limited. And you came to marry my daughter?
Mama, that is not a problem. I have a bright future, so I will make it. I will make it.
My in-laws, please, they say they have discussed, and they have agreed that they can make good husband and wife. I believe they will work it out. Is it not so?
Yes.
Why are you stammering and squeezing your mouth like somebody who ate a frog? What's wrong with your mouth? See you, boy, Oju.
Mama?
He said he has discussed with you, and you have accepted that somebody who is a film seller that is not limited will marry you.
Yeah. Adolf Hitler?
Yes.
Is it I discussing? You and who discuss? What did you discuss? Pikokwa. Out of one eye. We didn't discuss anything at all.
Just look at comes to marry my daughter. What kind of nonsense is this?
My love, please.
Excuse me. I beg your pardon. Don't mention that thing in your mouth again. Who is your in-law? As what? For what?
But I thought you told me you have discussed with her and she have agreed.
Please, both of you have understood. You are welcome. I need you to leave my house. I don't intend to hungry. Leave.
Why did you brought me here for them to insult me like this? I cannot take this kind of insult from anybody.
Yes, please get out.
Come, I'm going.
Go immediately with him.
No, carry your cheap drink. Carry your cheap drink.
Come on, come to see that this guy you for my body.
Elliot, when they had the likes of blackhoodtv, Don Perignon and good drink, so you was sopido. That shoe that shoe that is cocked like this. Let's just go. Come here, so that.
Can you imagine? One more, which was a salary of a
Yes. Give me my regular.
Should I open?
Yes, open it for me.
Should I open?
Yes.
Sure.
Sorry, I think I will be needing glass.
My guy, that girl is so beautiful. I've been admiring her ever since I started coming here. Who is she?
Who? Oh, you mean Madam Fresh Dada?
Oh, yes.
That girl is nothing to write home about. That useless girl. Don't forget about her.
What do you mean she's nothing to write home about?
This girl, she doesn't have time for young guys like us. She enjoys paparazzi, all these old archival men. Just wait for a while, you see one big pot man. Oloye, come and pick her. In fact, the most annoying part of it, they will pick her in front of her mother. That girl is a selling point. So forget about that useless girl. Obina,
yeah,
I'm talking to you. Or Jen Nasu commanding. I'm talking to you.
No, of course, I can hear you. I can hear you. But then, my guy, this girl, fine guy. Look at her boobs, look at her face, look at her smile. Honestly, I could day here. I need to talk to this girl. I need to stay back here and talk to her when everyone leaves.
As far as I'm concerned, you were a rat before that day.
Hello. Please, can I get another straw, please?
I had given you one straw initially. Why are you asking for another?
No, I just like to sip with 2 straws. Hope you don't mind.
What is the meaning of that? Is straw the drink we are supposed to be drinking? Eh? How many straws will you use to drink one beer? Would you please come and sit down here?
Can you just take the straw?
Can you get me a brown straw? Brown is actually my favorite color.
Onyala. Will you drink with 2 straws? Eh? Is it not one drink that you just got? Sit down.
Like brown, actually.
Well, since you want me to say it, I'm going to say it again. A relationship would not work between us. How else do you want me to tell you?
Why? Why there? You're a beautiful young girl. And I'm a promising young man. I believe with promises and agreements, we can have something good going on. Just give me a chance, please.
Okay, fine. Let me think about it.
Okay, sorry. Can I at least know when I'm to expect your reply, if you don't mind?
I just said let me think about it. Why not wait till that day?
Sorry. How about me coming to your mom's bar to visit you time to time, at least to know how you're faring?
Suit yourself.
Come and get me out of this place. I warned you now. Yes, I told you.
What's going on?
Are you a high chief? Are you a big pot man?
Is that why you're laughing?
Get me out of this place.
At least I tried. That's what matters. I made the first step.
Girl, you wouldn't believe what happened to me the last time I went to the village to see my mom.
And what is it?
3 suitors came to ask for my hand in marriage within the space of 1 week.
Ah! Incredible. Girl, that means very soon you'll be singing your way to the altar with a hobby. So tell me, which of them did you choose?
None. Eh? Because my mother practically rejected all of them, saying none of them is good enough for me. Can you imagine?
Wait, Ujuma, your mother did that? Why did you allow her to do that?
Amaka, are you the one asking this question? Like you don't know my mother, the drama queen. Oh. She says none of them is good enough for me. She believes I'm going to find a better husband. All she wants me to do is wait for December when the big abroad boys will come back. She thinks I'm going to find a husband then. But you know, something in my heart just kept telling me that I was doing the wrong thing by allowing her to do that.
A very big one. 3 suitors in chain. 3. All because of material things. This one weak me. 3 suitors. Ujunwa.
I don't know, Amaka. Really. But let's just be calm. At least let's give her the benefit of doubt. I'm going to wait for December for the big abroad boys to come back. And trust me, darling, if I don't get a good man, I'm running to the next good available man I find. Cause me, I don't get strength for wahala.
3 suitors.
Oh my dear. You need to see the men that came to ask for my hand in marriage. Me, self, liver cut me.
Are you serious?
My darling. I'm tired.
Oh, here you are.
You. Wait a minute. How did you get here?
Well, actually, I went to your bar. I've been there severally, and I asked someone of you, so the person directed me like where to find you. I hope you're not embarrassed.
Of course I am embarrassed, and you sound like someone who graduated from the University of Mental Issues. What do I even have to say to you? How would you go about asking after me like I owe you some money? Stalking me? Are you serious? Don't touch me.
No, it's not really that. I'm good at discovery. Like I discover, but that's by the way. Actually, it's just that I like you, and I want us to be close friends, like boon companion.
And you have said that before. And I remember vividly I told you that I was going to think about it. And who said the time has elapsed? I mean, listen, I don't want you coming around me. There is no bone companion or flesh companion between the two of us. Stop calling my name.
It's just that thinking about it is more like second coming of Jesus. Can you just finish?
Oh, please go get a life.
Just think about it already. Think about it. I like her so much, okay? I believe you can do it for me.
Seriously, Uju, I don't understand the meaning of that drama you displayed back there.
Oh, that boy.
Can you explain it for me?
My dear Simisiwala, that short boy came to my mother's shop to drink 1 bottle of beer. And since that day, he has been disturbing me, following me around, asking me to be his girlfriend. My dear, after the experience with those 3 men, I don't want another saga, especially not with that boy. Come on. And the funny thing is that I told the idiot that I was going to think about it. And then he went around asking for my contact, where I was, and all of a sudden, the fool shows up at my gate. And you expect me to give you, no, a smile.
Seriously, I was surprised and shocked.
My dear, you don't need to be surprised though, and don't be shocked either. You see, man, I am done. I'm tired.
Would you calm down? Take it easy on me.
Calm down for what? Oh no, what will I calm down for? Because, my love, please get us meats. Big ones with enough pepper. Remember the last time we were here?
Do you have laps?
What's the laps? Which laps?
You will pay.
Can I have you seen? Wait, see. I wanted to show you the picture. Calm down. Okay. What is it? The first one. There was one that wait. Are you expecting anyone? No. Okay, let me check. Hold on.
See, I really appreciate for at least giving me, time to hang out with you girls. It was really worth it.
Well, we should be the ones saying thank you. I mean, we had an amazing time today.
Thank you so much. I appreciate.
We appreciate.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Uju, I'll wait for you upstairs.
That's fine. Okay. I have a little problem with this. I mean us.
What is it?
My mother. Listen, I don't know how she's going to take it if she sees us together.
Why?
This might sound a little bit funny, but my mother has a criteria for any man who's coming to ask for my hand in marriage. And looking at you, you don't fall into that category. I mean men who are rich, the ones who live abroad. And you understand what I mean.
So your mother's criteria for having a good relationship is someone that's based abroad or someone that's rich?
Exactly. And she means it. 100%. That's why I've been hesitating about us going out.
I see. Well, that's what your mother wants, and I believe that you know what you want. You know what makes you happy. You know what makes your world happy. So Yeah, the truth is that I'm not based abroad. I'm not so rich like your mother wants you to get married to someone that's rich. But what counts is the love I have for you. What counts is the happiness I'm going to bring into your life. You know. So I believe you have the final say. You can't really depend on what your mother wants. But it's okay. I'll give you time to at least think about it and, you know.
Thank you. I'll think about it.
It's okay. So that was it. We actually had a good time. We went out. So, but then she told me that her mother is against men that lives in this village. You know, that the mother wants, you know, men that, you know, traveled abroad, rich guys, that she's scared of dating me.
But I told you, having anything to do with that girl is a mistake.
Well, that is where you're wrong, because that girl is adorable. Trust me.
Adorable. Adorable.
Adorable. Like, she's nice.
Someone's her mother always use her for competition. Okay, let me tell you, I warned you this thing earlier. You are the most smallest among all the suitors she has turned down.
Well, maybe God is trying to preserve her for me to come meet her and get married to her. Who knows?
Obai? Obinna? Oh, you do tell her that you will soon, or you have, traveled abroad before?
Well, I didn't tell her that because I want our relationship to be built on trust and love. So I won't give her that piece of information.
Hey, so if you need any woman to marry, Obai, a sweet, fine guy, can you take a careful look at her? Since I can have this, you can have more than millions of more beautiful girls than her. I can get you a wife. Yes. What woman can get you a wife?
Look, I'm not really interested in you getting me a wife because I know deep down that I will definitely get that girl. I just need patience.
Obinna, in fact, I was coming to your house.
I hope there's no problem.
You don't understand. Do you know Uju is in this village? But as I'm talking to you, Obaino, Uju is in her mother's shop.
Is that why you flagged me down? Of course I know now. She told me she was coming to the village. As a matter of fact, I'm even going to see her now.
Obinna, don't understand what I'm saying.
I understand now that she's in town. That's what I'm telling you.
Uju is in her mother's shop with one of her sugar daddies. They are kissing each other, playing with each other. Kissing like pigeons. If you doubt me now, follow me now.
Are you serious?
I told you about this guy. I warned you about it. This guy is not good for you. If you doubt me, let's go there. Her mother's shop. If you doubt me now, let's go.
Let's go. I thought the end of it. Let's go. The end of it. Let's go. I told you. Out of the now. Let's go. Let's go. I'm going back. Let's go. This is not the end of it. This is not the end of it. I'm going for. Let's go. Let's go. Let's. Obino, enter this vehicle. Let's go. I told you about this girl. I told you about this girl. You have not said anything yet. Just enter. Let's go. What will I tell your mother? Let's go.
Hey! You have finished me. Why would you do such a thing? Why? Why bring that kind of stupid, useless boy to insult the people? Now DP is not even picking my calls anymore.
Mama, you need to calm down. You need to calm down. Moreover, I didn't even know he was going to show up there.
Why did that kind of wretched boy in the first place? Why will you date him? After all my advice to you, why date that kind of idiot?
Mama, you seem to be forgetting something. You seem to be forgetting something. I'm a young girl. I need to date a guy my age. I'm not dating that man that is old enough to be my father.
And who told you that a guy your age will not come to marry you? Who told you that? Is it Christmas yet?
Mama, this same Christmas that you have been singing since, we are waiting for the Christmas to come.
It's not here yet.
No, wait, Mama, let me ask you, what if these guys come back for Christmas and none of them ends up liking me or even want to marry me?
Why? Why would they like you or want to marry you? They are all cute on the line for you. And if none of them comes to marry you, then we will make them marry you. But that's not the issue. The issue now is that the people is not picking my calls.
And that should be troubling you.
A lot.
Mama, we need to think about this thing. We need to think about it. In fact, me, I'm tired. I'm tired.
That is not the reason you should destroy your relationship with DPO. Why would you do such a thing? Somebody that has been helping us in this house, doing a lot of things. He is the one the reason we are glittering in addition to what we had before. What did I do to you, Uju? DPO, please. You just have to pick my calls. I can't manage it without your finance. Please, Namu. I beg you. Hello. Hi. DPO is not picking. No. DPO is not picking. They are all just kids. I need your money. I need your money to still keeping on now. Uju, I don't like this at all.
What are you doing here? Can you just speak? What are you doing here?
Please, just take a chill pill. I actually come to apologize for barging in on you the other day.
And I made it clear that my mother doesn't want to see the two of us together. So what are you still doing? Amaka, why did you bring him here?
He asked me to bring him to your house so he can apologize to you.
And you foolishly brought him to my house, knowing who my mother is. Please, I beg you, you need to leave before my mother comes out. It won't be funny if she...
Uju! Mama! I heard the sound of a car.
Mama?
Who are they? Yeah. Is this not the boy that came to my shop and insulted my customer?
Not really, ma.
Didn't I warn you never to show your ugly, wretched face around again?
Mama, please take a chill pill. I'm not here to cause trouble.
You have caused me a lot of troubles. You have caused me so many troubles. What more do you want? What more do you want? So let me tell you. By the time I go in there and come out and you are still standing there, you will regret what I will do to you. Wait, I'm coming here. Stand, I'm coming. I'm coming.
See, my mother is not a happy person.
Mama, please, you would have listened to me.
Shut up already. Is he still there?
Mama, no, yes.
Okay, yeah. Get out. Come on, get out. Get out. Come on, this freaking idiot. Ugly looking animal. Idiot. Come on, let's reverse this way. Your useless car out of my house. I'm still talking to you. Shut up. You, and you went out to go and receive him. You left my house to go and receive that animal that wants to distract you from the already made man that I prepared for you.
No, Mama, I was asking him to leave.
You will want to kiss him before you will leave. Unless you know. Get inside also. Get inside! Idiot!
So you want me to start begging? So because of what happened since that, you refused to come and see me. Why?
Junior, do you want your mother to bathe me with hot water? Ha! Bikokwa.
Amaka. Yes, I know my mother is a drama queen, but of course you know my mother would not do a thing like that. So stop talking like that, please.
Seriously, your mother overreacted and that was totally uncalled for.
Same reason I have refused to marry Obinna. This woman is bent on getting me a suitor herself. And I've told her, if this Christmas comes and I don't see her abroad suitors, trust me, I will not listen to her again.
Ha! Now wow, I've never seen this kind of a thing before.
Don't worry, it's okay now.
Ujunwa, I am very scared. I don't know what your mother's plan is now.
So you fear to die?
Before.
I'm scared though.
See the way you run that
I'm sorry, she won't do anything. Please.
Okay. Let me get you something.
Alright, thank you.
Okay.
Please make me cold water.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hello, sunshine. Where you hurrying to under the weather and atmosphere?
I'm going home.
Okay, forgive my manners. My name is Phillips. What should I call you?
My name is Ujunwa.
Ujunwa. Oh, nice to meet you, Ujunwa. Do you mind I'll give you a lift to wherever you're going to?
No, it's fine. I'm almost home, so I can walk.
Oh, come on. I'll do the pleasure. Come on. It's be my pleasure to take you to wherever you're going. Home. I'll take you home. Please, don't say no. Alright, let me do the honors. Just give me a sec. You know, it would be my pleasure to... Here you are. Just make yourself comfortable, okay? Great. Mama, as soon as I saw your daughter, I made up my mind instantly to get married to her.
So soon?
Oh yes, Mama. I mean, I don't even base here in Nigeria and I'll be leaving very soon. So, you know, I really need to make sure I don't get to lose her. Or don't you like it?
I like it so much, my son, but I've always known, my son, that marriage is not what one rushes into. You need to take time to prepare for it so that you don't rush out.
Oh, but that's okay, that's okay. She's a princess, so she deserves all the time you want, you know. But it's okay, Mama, to further portray how much I really want to go to the end of the world for her. You can have this.
What you want?
And this.
Mama. Hey.
You know, the fact is, I didn't know I was going to find you around, but I would have brought more and lots of gifts.
Hey, Philip.
Mama,
I was not expecting this.
No, come on. That's for a former Aqua go, isn't
yes.
it? Yeah,
I was not really expecting this, but I like it.
It's okay,
I like it very
okay.
much. Ujungwa,
Mama,
it is good. My lucky daughter. Thank you so much. I should have called you my son-in-law, but
oh, come on. She's
let
my
me take time
Aqua
to
so
think about it too.
Come on, it's
like
all
you
good,
said. And let me give the two of you time to get to know each other.
No, it's fine, Mama. It's fine. My
But you know,
Mama.
Your mother is such an amazing woman. You know that, right?
Yeah, she is. She is really, really nice. And thank you very much for the money.
Don't do that. Come on. I think I'll be leaving because I need to catch my you know how it is.
You want to leave? Okay. Let me just tell my mother you're leaving.
Okay, it's fine. It's fine.
Mama, come on. He said he's leaving.
no, so soon.
Yes, Mama. I've got to leave and catch up to Onitsha because the country is not too good. So because of security, I need to leave on time.
Yes.
But we would have just stayed a little more. But it's okay.
That's fine. Don't worry. I'll come back some other time.
Au revoir.
Okay, just take care of my princess. Take care of me.
Au revoir.
Gotta go.
Au revoir.
I'll see you around soon.
Take care. Au revoir.
Alright.
Au revoir.
Okay. And thank you once again.
Oh no, it's not good.
Would you come?
Mama.
See how lucky you are.
I learned
that from Ivory Coast. Which one is one? When money speaks, you say au revoir.
Look at the way he was speaking. You will know that this is a Yankee-based man. I need to go back to the UK because I need to come back and come and see.
Mama, you know that happened.
Did you hear it?
I did not. That's why I said au revoir.
Where's the money?
Which money?
The money he brought.
Isn't that it?
Mama, it cannot be. Let's go.
It's
You need
for me.
I don't get what's for you.
It's for
Mama, come and give me my own share. Come and give me my own share. Mama, give me my own share because. Hey, this is my rainbow top. This one is the least of the things Philip wants. Don't say. You need to come to my house. If you see designers, I don't wear krika again. Beautiful
baby
girl trousers. In fact, I now change 3 times in a day, sometimes 4 times in a day. Is it like my clothes are so much? As I'm talking to you now, I have another top to wear when I get to the house. I'm going to change into something different because, baby girl, in 2 or 3 months' time, what you'll be hearing is, here comes the bride, here comes the bride.
Uju, don't you think this marriage thing is too sudden? Wait, I mean, you just met this Philip guy a few weeks ago and you're already singing a marriage song with him. You don't even know anything about him, his family background, his lifestyle, nothing. What if he's a ritualist, Uju? What if he's a ritualist though? Hey,
Clean your mouth, yeah. Exactly, clean it. It's like something is wrong with you. You've not even met this man and you're judging him already. Calm down. You need to meet Philip. You need to see him face to face before you start saying these things. Or have you ever heard of a ritualist giving out money to people? You need to see the way Philip showers my mother and I with so much gifts. Money. Everything we ask for. And you're here talking about somebody being a ritualist. Be calm. Everything is fine.
I'm happy for you. You know you're my girlfriend. But you have to be very, very careful.
Amaka, you need to calm down. You take life too seriously.
Ujunwa, you just have to be very careful with that guy.
Preacher, preach on. I have heard you.
Hi.
Mr. Wanshu, what are you doing here?
Amaka, how are you?
I'm fine. I'm having a walk-up.
Thank you. Uju, you good?
I'm fine. What are you doing here?
I actually came to see you. I went to your mom's, but I was told you're not in, so I sensed you would probably be with your friend.
Hey, you came to see me? Why?
Excuse me.
I at least have a seat?
Please just stand there. Or you can sit if you want to.
Thank you.
What do you want?
Hey, come on, Ujunwa. Just take a chill pill and listen to me. You see, it's basically on the same thing I've been, asking you for. Why can't you just give me a chance? Why are you being so stubborn and resistant? Just give me a chance. We could work something out together.
From what I know, albinism enters the eyes and not the ears. I have said this before and I'm going to say it again. I will not have anything to do with you. Nothing can happen between us. How many times am I supposed to say that?
But you have to give it a trial first. You're just saying it. Give it a trial.
Okay, maybe I should shout this time so that you would hear me. It will not work! It won't! Not now. I have a suitor coming for me already and my mother has accepted. So you see, it won't work. Should I say it again? It won't work.
So your mother is actually telling you what to do? You don't want to follow your heart? Okay. It's alright if that's what you want. Well, I've tried to, make you see reasons with me, but I can see your mind is already made up.
Yes, it's made up.
That's interesting. Can I ask you for a favor?
Jesus Christ. Go ahead.
Since you have refused to adhere to my plea, I want to ask if you can permit me to hang out with your friend, Amaka.
Hi! Obina, Albino did not only enter your eye, it did not enter your ear, now it's in your brain. Oh! So because I refused to go out with you, you now turned around to ask for my friend's hand. That's fine. I don't have a problem with that. Who am I to stop your happiness? When poverty jam another poverty, they jam together. They become one poverty. So I don't have a problem. So enjoy yourself with Amaka. It's not an issue. Amaka! Amaka!
You don't need to call her.
No, I need to tell her that I'm leaving. I can't stay where poverty-stricken people are. Come. I'm leaving, This man here has something to tell you. If you have sense, use your brain. Don't follow man when you should get a phone.
I'll come to your house later.
Whatever.
Well, I'm sorry to say this, but I think your friend is not normal, honestly.
What's that?
Guess who I saw?
Who?
Obinna.
Which Obinna?
The same riffraff, you know.
The one I know?
Yes. Wow. He came there and saw me and claimed that he has been looking for me in heaven and on earth.
Can you imagine?
And decided to come and look for me at Amaka's place. As if that fat lie was not enough. The idiot turned around to ask me to permit him to marry that goat. And the foolish idiot, Amaka, she accepted. What? Mama, and I see what? My own best friend accepted to marry my ex-boyfriend.
Can you imagine? Have you seen it? I have always known that that boy is a very stupid boy. No wonder I have never liked him. How can he be that stupid?
Imagine.
To ask? Hey! How can he comfortably ask your girlfriend to marry him after he had already asked you to marry him?
Exactly my point, Mama.
That means he had always had an eye on her.
Bagam, Mama, Ijia. Exactly. You know, now I understand why she has always been supporting that boy. That is to say, she had an eye on him.
Exactly. Exactly.
Hey.
Hey. Can you imagine?
Anyway,
That's the problem, because as for me, I am not even moved.
You shouldn't be moved, my daughter.
I am not moved.
Not at all.
What I have planned right now is just... I'm just thinking of how my wedding is going to be like with Philip. If they like, let them co-join and marry themselves and their ancestors. That is their...
Exactly, my daughter. You must do that. Just make sure you put every plan in place so that you get married to souls. And then they will not see an opportunity to sympathize with you.
As a matter of fact, Mama, this weekend I am going to see my Philip. I am going to see him. I would make sure everybody testifies that the best husband you can ever have is Philip.
Exactly, my daughter. Now you are talking. Don't worry yourself.
I am a father, Mama. You need to see them. Oh, please. Can you just permit me to marry your girl? I said, what the hell? What boy married poor girl? They give birth to poor children.
Nonsense. Come in, my daughter. Don't mind them. What is wrong with you?
Nothing, Mama. I've just been feeling very, very weak and dizzy lately.
Ujuma, you are feeling weak and dizzy.
Yes.
Ujuma, that means you are pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes.
Mama, I'm not pregnant. I just told you that I'm feeling weak and dizzy. I think it's fever or malaria.
Ujuma.
Mama.
When you visited Philip the last time, did he touch you? No? Did he sleep with you?
Mama, how can you be asking me that kind of question?
Answer my question, my friend. I know why I am asking you. Ometoleyaka. Ujumwa. Unemelo. Zanum nunu unemelo. Unume. Aha! You're pregnant. You're pregnant. But there's no problem. You have to call him immediately to tell him to come and perform all the necessary obligations as regards to you being pregnant for him. You know why? He has to do it before the pregnancy starts coming out. Hmm? Come, let's go and call him. Chokulibo. Chebo. Okwarapota. Let's go and call him. It's okay.
Uju, baby. Since the day you left my house, you never cared to check on me. Where have you been? Tell me. Tell me.
My darling, I went to meet my man, my husband to be. You know, I need to stay with him so that we can finalize plans for my marriage. You know,
marriage?
Of course, my marriage is next month. Have you forgotten?
Congratulations! I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
I forgot. I need to leave now. I have an appointment with Obina later today.
Oh, really? That's fine. That's no problem. But before you leave, I just want to remind you. I'll bring my card to your house later. They'll be arriving from Lagos very soon. I would have given it to you now, but it's still on its way from Lagos. So when it comes, I'll bring it to your house so you can also share to others that will be coming for the wedding.
Congrats! I'm so happy for you.
Thank you.
I need to go. Maybe tomorrow I'll come to check up on you in case I need to help you.
Okay, no problem.
Good day, ma.
Sabotua. Sabotua! I hate this girl. I hate her.
Mama, you don't need to waste your hate. What are you wasting your hate on this riffraff that wants to marry a caricature husband? She will reap everything bountifully. We don't need to bother ourselves. what we should be thinking about right now is to make sure that my marriage comes before hers and Obinna.
You're correct, my daughter.
What funny?
You're correct. I trust my love for you. I know he will make us proud.
Kwa my Philip,
The way I know him, I know what I can do.
Of course.
Just mind her. You know, don't watch it.
Mama, I'm almost done. Oh, I'm almost done. Let me finish and stop washing with my hand. To go to my husband's house and start using washing machine.
Zaku, my friend, why are you sounding this way? You are my friend. Huh?
So it is now that you know that I'm your friend. Eh? It is now that you can call me your friend.
Uzoaku, my friend, you are beginning to scare me. I don't understand. What happened?
How else do you want me to sound, Enyinia? How else do you want me to sound when you have virtually refused all my advices to you concerning your daughter dating that poor, miserable boy? Eh?
Uzoaku, my friend, you are beginning to scare me. What did my daughter Amaka did? What?
So you don't know that your daughter is dating that wretched poor thing, which my own daughter even rejected?
How do you mean? I don't understand you. Is that why you are angry? Ha! You shouldn't allow what our daughter do to come in between us. They are adults. I don't get it. Please. Ha!
It's okay. Enyidia, let me ask you. Don't you know that allowing your daughter to date that wretched poor thing will make you to remain forever poor? But giving your daughter's hand out in marriage to a man that is well-to-do will wipe away poverty forever from your life. You don't know?
I understand what you are saying, my friend. But you have to understand that I cannot force a husband to her. She has to make a choice of her own. I cannot force her into marriage, into marrying someone that is rich because I want her to get married to a rich person. No, I can't. Yes.
No problem. You are free to do whatever you like, But this is an earnest advice from a friend that yes. If my advice is paining you, no, I don't know why you came to my house.
It's not so. It's
because I'm trying to give you an advice. If you don't like it, you go.
No, I've heard you. No problem. I've heard you. But I will allow her to make a choice of husband for herself. I can't force her because I want her to marry a rich man. No. Ha. Nah.
I got no car. I want my or do you call it your usual headiness or what? That you want to give out another's hand in marriage to a man, without letting us know first that we had to hear from other people. Outsiders.
What did I do wrong? Did they tell you that I've collected bride price of my daughter?
Then when do you intend to inform us?
When the time is right. When I finish discussing with my in-law and I'm sure what is coming to do, I'll come back to tell you guys.
Ozaku, you will never change. You will never change. So you don't see anything wrong with what you are doing?
Absolutely not. But I didn't do anything wrong. And besides, there's nothing I do that is right before you. I'm happy. I've not done anything wrong.
Mama, please calm down. I think Uncle Amadi here has a point.
Please, point at what? What are you pointing at? My daughter here.
Now leave her. Allow her.
Hello, baby. Hi, Daddy. What's going on? How are you? That's what I'm talking about. How are you, baby?
I'm fine. Come on, Daddy.
I'm okay. You didn't tell me about this story.
Okay, well, these are my visitors.
Daddy. Oh, for
So,
real?
These are my uncles, and this is my elder brother, Emenike.
Oh, hello everybody. Good day, Pops. Hello. Good day, everybody.
Pops.
Anyways, I didn't come concerning my initial intentions. That's just the urgency and the whole thing. And moreover, I didn't know I was gonna find you on the village. So, I mean,
There's no problem. There's no problem at all. We are only angry that we got to hear about this wonderful news from outsiders. But everything is all right now.
For real?
For real.
For real?
For real.
Okay. Okay, that's amazing. Anyways, I got some few things for you. And this is for you, and that is for you.
Wow.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Just make yourself comfortable.
Wow.
My in-law, could you just tell somebody to come get some things in the car, you know?
Baby, it's okay. I'll go with my brother. I mean, he can come and help me. So.
Okay, I went in the car.
It's fine. Let's go.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Yes.
Amazing.
Glutons.
Gluten.
Gluten. This is the only reason you put. This is the only reason you put it. The money that was meant for me, you just collected it.
She's our daughter. She's also our daughter. She's also our daughter.
Go back to your house.
My entitlement.
It's your entitlement. This money was meant for me to upgrade myself. If I had him, I would collect this money for you.
I guess you are not telling us.
She's our daughter. I live in your house.
She's our daughter.
She's our daughter.
Uzako, I am still waiting to know the reason for your mission here.
Ichiamadi, I have come to collect the marriage list as the head of the family.
It's okay, let me go and bring it.
Okay.
Uza, here is the list.
Okay. Thank you so much, Chairman. Thank you.
What is this?
The complete marriage list.
This thing I am saying here is what you wrote for my in-law to marry my daughter with. It's like you don't know who we are talking about. How can you write these few items here as the requirement for my daughter's marriage? This thing that total up to 65,000 naira only. Chiamadi. No.
Uzako, this is the total requirement for marriage in our village. No addition, no subtraction.
And I said no to it. It cannot work. Like I said, it's like you don't know who my in-law is. You don't know the people we are talking about. You can't even write out a comprehensive list for traditional marriage. Anyway, I will have you rewrite everything and add all that is necessary to be added, because I can't present this to my in-law. As a matter of fact, I will have it typed out at the cyber cafe, so that I can present it properly to him. Okay?
Yeah,
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Oh. I should have known that this is how we are going to write it. Thank you.
Just tell them it is good. When they come, don't venture to give them our daughter. Make sure you report them. Report to me.
This is the list.
Oh, is that it? Okay.
All that will be needed on that day.
Oh, everything?
Yes.
Okay, here it says 1 Dana load of yams.
Yes.
10 cartons of bar soap.
Yes.
20 gallons of red oil.
Exactly.
And 20 gallons of groundnut oil.
Correct.
2 bills of okrika clothes.
Yes.
Okrika clothes?
Okrika clothes. 2 bales Okrika clothes.
Why 2 bales of Okrika clothes?
You know, in this our community, we have so many poor people, a lot of poor people. And on that day of the traditional marriage, I don't want people that are kept and dirty coming to, spoil our video and pictures. So I intend to distribute the Okrika clothes to them, so that when they come, they will look sharp and clean.
I see.
Yes. So the Okrika is for the community.
Oh, because I was wondering why Okrika clothes, but it's fine.
Good.
Right here it says 1 live cow.
Yes.
And then 2 million naira in cash.
Exactly. The 2 million naira is just to fill the empty space where things are not properly done. I can use it to fill it up.
Okay, like some incentive.
Exactly. Ogo Buchionye.
Okay.
Original.
Oh, okay,
My original Ogo.
Because I was wondering.
You are well educated.
It's good. Okay. So, okay.
Okay. As for the musicians of the day.
Okay, because I saw music, but it's just in bracket.
Yes, I left it in bracket because I don't know the kind of music you like. So I said, okay, let it make the choice of the music I'll play on that day.
It's quite a privilege, but I like music myself, and
that's why I left it for you.
I like all kind of music too. And then most of these musicians are my friends, so I don't want to go into it. Maybe it's your day, so just choose any music you want. I can provide for it. Any artist you want.
Agom.
Yeah.
Agom Buchionye.
Come on.
You see why I said my daughter must marry you? I had to turn off all suitors just to pick you.
And I'm so
grateful.
I'm very grateful. She's my damsel.
As for the music,
okay,
I like flavor and techno. I play their music a lot in my shop, the video and techno. I enjoy their music a lot. And I also like
Davido.
Yes, I enjoy his music.
You like Davido?
A lot. I like their music. So I am thinking of in the morning of the traditional marriage, we start with techno. As the day goes down, in the afternoon, flavor comes in. Towards the evening, when my original guests are all seated, the video will start.
So we take up the show.
So the three of them are okay for me.
I see. The thing there is, I've got Flavor's number and I've got Davido's number, but I'm just hold on a second.
Hold on. You have Davido's number?
Oh yeah, they're my homeboys.
In this phone?
Yeah, they're my homeboys. Let me just
call him.
Let me
tell him about
Let me holler at them.
Tell him about me.
Okay, just hold on a sec.
Yeah.
Just hold on. One sec.
I'm there.
Yeah, hello, David. What's going on, man?
David.
Oh, man, I'm in Nigeria, man. I'm in the country. I just got back some few days ago, Oh, yeah. I'm planning my traditional marriage, and then guess what? My mother-in-law said she needs you to be the man of the day.
Yes.
You can hear.
Good evening, David. David, how are you?
He can hear you. Okay, so
I am the mother-in-law.
Yeah, that's my mother-in-law.
Yes.
But you know what? What would it take me to have you around, man? No, that's not a problem, man. You know me, man. Okay, never mind. I'm just gonna do some transfer for you, and then we could figure it out.
Just like that. Hey.
All right, man. See you around, man. Talk to you later, man.
Bye, David.
She said,
I like.
Oh, that's my homeboy.
Yes,
yeah, that's the Vito,
You give me his number later.
Yeah, I spoke to him, so need to do some transfer. He's gonna make himself available.
Ogomo, original.
Yeah, what do you expect?
I sacked all suitors because of you.
I know what you can do. I know what you can do. I'm so privileged. Thank you, man. Thank you very much, man. You're the best. You're the best. Don't worry, I'm gonna get you more things soon.
So, Mama, be careful.
Sorry. This one is for you.
Really? Whoa, this is so beautiful.
I know you will like it.
I can imagine myself how I would later date my dad.
Mama Malaysia.
You know your mother.
I know you will like it.
You know my thing. This is beautiful.
I know, Mama. What do you think about this material? I'm looking at it. There's this traditional touch in it that's just giving me this flair. I like it.
I don't like it. This material is dull. I don't want my daughter looking so dull in it. Yes, it's very dull. I want you to radiate like the stars, glittering to all the people, looking different in your attire.
Mama Malaysia!
I can almost see my daughter coming forward. Please, my dear, I want you to take a look in this. And one of them goes.
Mama, this color, it's looking too sharp.
No! Ujungwa, this is what will make you radiate like the sun and star.
Akwaya!
You know,
Mama Mia!
Mama, I hope you know what you do. Because I don't understand this marriage. I don't understand it at all.
What is it that you do not understand?
Mama, the suddenness.
Suddenness about?
Eh? Mama, don't you think this thing is too sudden? Eh? Okay, let me ask you. How well do you know that man? How well do you know him? Moreover, his face. Mama, his face looks... That man looks like someone that I know very well in Onitsha. But I can't really place it though.
Of course you can't place it, Ebenike. How can you place it? Where on earth will you have met someone like Phillips? Nowhere, apart from here in this house. And with this thing happening now, this is the only opportunity for you to meet with someone like Phillips. I know that place could be maybe in the laborers market, where he had gone to pick up 1 or 2 laborers for himself. And then you had the opportunity to have a glimpse of him. Ebenike, there's no way you would have met with Phillips. Just look at you. Ebenike, go out and make money. Ebenike Gasemba. Allow me to bring in money, being the Madam Cash. He will still obstruct. Allow the young people that has money to bring into our house. The witch will stop them. What is your brother's problem?
Mama.
Okay, Mama.
Mama, I know what I am saying. Mama, I know what I am saying.
What is it that you're saying?
Okay.
Anyway, I think right now we should just look for what he will wear.
Yes.
According to Mama, material are the doll.
Very dull.
Kanka doll. So we will give the doll material to the doll boy. Mama, near the doll one.
That day, both of you, you will be the one that will be turning that up.
Get away, you. You don't have money.
Go and make money. You will still wear it on my
choice. You are right. Look at the door.
Very dull.
This is
fine. Yes, I can use money.
Oh
my God!
I love your hair!
You're so sweet. Thank you so much.
Wow!
Very beautiful. Thank you girls, thank you. Because of this your special greetings, I am specially inviting you to my daughter's traditional marriage tomorrow.
Oh my God! I'm so happy! We're going to be there!
And please, you must dress neatly and properly so that you can be allowed to enter into the compound, into the venue, okay?
Okay, Mama, we'll be
there.
We'll be there. Thank you so much.
This is great as come, but dress well. Anybody that wants to come, dress well.
Mama, you are looking gorgeous. Hey, you're the money for Mama. Then it's on some Mama. Hey,
because of the way you specially greeted me, I am inviting you tomorrow to my daughter's traditional marriage. Yes. But please, you have to clean up yourself before coming, please. I guess these are your children. Please wear good clothes on them so that you won't be sent away, okay? I'm inviting you because P-Square and Flavor are coming tomorrow. Yes, they will come tomorrow. It's so unfortunate that I am not with my handbag. I would have given you some money to take care of your children. But don't worry, when you come tomorrow, seek for my audience and I'll give you something.
I will. Why, Oma?
Mosiko, we go for my. Come on.
Hey,
bring them. Bring them.
I would like to see them.
Come along. Come along. Let the neighbors. Let everybody come. Tomorrow is the day.
Mama.
Thank you, sister. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Hey, Mayenka, Imaya.
What is happening? Why is your in-laws not here?
My sister, I am as worried as you are. I don't know what's keeping them. I don't know what is keeping them. Oh, but I have tried severally. I have called him severally. And it is not picking his call. I know something has happened to him. Such evil will not befall my daughter. Yes, such evil will not befall. I will keep calling him until he picks. And the worst thing is that he told me that not to worry about anything, that he's coming with food and drinks and everything. So he will surely come. He will pick.
Mama, what is happening? What is happening? Where is Philip? What's going on?
Stop as you are. I don't know what is keeping Philip, but I'm sure Philip will stay up.
Mama, calm down. Do you think he forgot about the wedding?
Well, what nonsense is that? How can a young able man like that forget the day of his marriage? Is it possible?
No,
he cannot
forget the date of his wedding.
He is a gentleman. He is very rich. You should go and bring his picture. Let me show my sister.
Okay.
Mama, please just keep calling him. Keep calling him.
Yes, I will.
Yes.
Maybe there is a delay. Maybe something is delayed.
Let's hope.
He will definitely be here. Mama, look gentle.
Mama, do you
traffic?
This is it. I love it.
Gentle, ma.
Come. What? What's that? This is unbelievable.
Auntie, what is it?
Is this the man that is coming to marry your daughter? Is the gentleman.
Auntie, what is it?
What is
there a problem? What's it?
This is unbelievable. I am highly really disappointed in you. You see this man? This man died over 10 years ago.
Hey!
Oh,
10 years.
How would I have known?
Hey!
Have you seen it? How will I have known that he... How will I know that it is the spirit that came to my mind? It's because of your selfishness. Hey! That is it. Hey, whoa!
Mama, it's a joke. It's a joke. Mama, it's a joke. It's a joke.
Hey!
It's a joke, Mama. Mama, it's a joke. It's a joke, Mama. Hey! It's a joke, Mama. Oh! Take my side. Mama! Go inside.
I will have.
You want money? You want money, big money. That is why.
I want money, but I'm broken.
Look at how you just destroy your daughter's life with your own hands.
I don't want cost money. Hey!
So this is how I will live with this place, in this village. A dead man come to ask for my daughter's hand in marriage, and even get her pregnant. The worst of it is that my sister Agnes has gone back to where she is this morning. Oh my God, I am finished. This cannot happen. I will not let this happen. I must do something. I will not let this to happen. I must do something.
bear this shame any longer. My mother has succeeded in making me a laughing stock in this village. How am I supposed to cope? Oh. Obinna, my good-keeping husband, has ended up marrying my best friend. But I wish I had listened to you. I wish I had listened to you. Look at me. Pregnant for a ghost. Oh. I can't bear this shame. I can't take it. I can't.
Uju, what are you doing?
Menike, please. Just leave me alone. I want to die. I can't bear this shame anymore.
No, you cannot die.
I can't. Don't tell me to give it the room. Do you know what I am passing through?
It's okay.
Do you know what I am going through, Menike? I can't take this. Just leave me. Leave me.
Uju. What? Your mother had an accident. She was hit by a car.
What?
My mother?
Yes.
Where is she now?
Some good Samaritan has taken her to the hospital.
Where is she? Which hospital? Take me there.
My children, I have wronged you all. I have offended you too. I have done so many unimaginable things. Oh, please forgive me. Forgive me, Wam. Mom. I was so afraid of poverty. I never wanted to be poor. I wanted the best for everyone. I didn't know I was overdoing things. I did not know. I did not know I was overdoing things. Look at what I've done to you. Look at what I've done to my daughter. I'm sorry. Forgive me, Wambiko. I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's okay from the deepest parts of my heart. I've forgiven you. I forgive you, Mama.
My daughter, please, I want you to forgive Obinna. Yes, please. Forgive Amaka and even Philip. Their actions were not ordinary. God has used them to correct me from all that I was doing that was wrong. So forgive them, Biko. Thank you. It's my son. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I've wronged you. I have not been a good mother.
It's okay.
Please forgive me. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Continue to do the good things that you have been doing. Now, all this family together. All the good things that your father taught you.
Okay, Mama.
Keep doing them to hold this family together because wow.
Okay, Mama.
I'm sorry.
Oh, it's okay. So
I wish I had listened. I wish I listened to my husband.
It's okay.
I wish I had this opportunity to also apologize to my husband.
Mama, it's okay.
I killed him with my beard. I killed my husband.
Mama, it's okay.
Kill him, Mama.
Mama, Papa will be very happy wherever you may be now.
Hi.
Mama, stop talking like this. You are not going to die. Mama, don't worry. You will be well, Mama. You will be well. We are all going to make amends.
Let me meet you. Ujunwa, my daughter.
Uncle.
Stop crying. You people should take heart and move forward with their lives. This is not the end of life for you. You see, God allows certain things to happen to us so that we can learn some certain lessons while living our lives. And I'm sure that by now you must have learned some certain lessons concerning these events. So please take heart and take good care of yourselves.
Emenike, you have to take heart. Take care of your sister. She's all you have now, and you are all she have. As for your brother Onyeka, nobody has heard from him. We don't even know whether he's still alive or dead. We don't know his whereabouts for now. So it's just you two for now. Your sister, you know her condition. She needs someone around her. So you have to be there for her till her child is delivered.
Okay, Uncle. One more thing, my son. Please, anytime you need us, do not hesitate to call on us. We're there at your service. I'll always be there to take care of you. Ada? Stop crying now. Enough of all these tears. Anytime you need our attention, just let me know. I'll always come promptly answering you. Go? Okay. Please.
Thank you so much.
You are my younger brother's children. And I cannot forget that fact. It is my responsibility to take care of you. So you always alert me at the slightest need. And I'll be there for you.
Thank you, Uncle. Thank you so much. I and my sister want to say a very big thank you to you for your kind words and encouragement. Thank you, Uncle. We appreciate it.
Do not mention, like I said, my son. It is my responsibility to take care of my younger brother's family. Just call on me as slightest need you have. Ada, please stop crying.
Thank you.
You know go? Ada? One new look at you. Take good care of your sister. I'll be back. Thank you. Let's be going for now. We'll return later.
Maka. How are you? How are you?
I'm fine. Please sit down.
Please don't be surprised that we actually stopped by to see you. We heard about what happened, so we decided to come pay condolence. As well.
Are you okay? Thank you. Jo, are you alright?
You okay?
Are you alright?
What is it?
Yeah, I think the baby is coming.
The baby?
Yes, I think it's coming.
Let's take her to the hospital.
Okay. The baby's coming.
Easy.
Be careful.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry.
We'll be fine.
Easy. Sorry. Let's close.
Careful. Step by step.
Sorry.
You